Unexpected problems happen. A store underperforms. A new conveyor belt part creates unusual rhythms. There's a sudden spike in online traffic. Data preparation makes ingestion a breeze. It's a powerful combination of granular analysis, real-time monitoring, and adaptive models without the need for machine learning expertise. Metrics Advisor is the expert that will help protect your organization's growth.